Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Come on, take out your English book and open page number 10. Yes, this is page number 10. Last time we study A. Now we will study next alphabet, which is Ba. Which letter is this? Ba. First letter is A. After A, Ba. Ba bag, Ba ball, Ba book, Ba box, Ba boy, Ba baby. Which letter is this? Ba. अब यहाँ हमने जो जो पिक्चर्स देखी हैं उन सब का बिगनिंग साउंड क्या है? बा. दिस इज बा. ओके, अगेन रिपीट विथ मी. बा बैग. यस, वन मोर टाइम. बा बैग. नाउ नेक्स्ट. बा बॉल, Ba ball, Ba book. Now one more time. Ba book, Ba box. Yes, Ba box. Ba boy, Ba boy. Ba baby, Ba baby. Okay, now repeat again. Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. And this is Ba. Now read the word which start with A and then Ba. A ant, A apple, A eggs, A arrow, A aeroplane, A arm. Okay, now come to Ba. Ba bag, Ba box, Ba ball, Ba boy, Ba book, Ba baby. Okay, now open your copy and write Ba. Okay dear student, this is your copy, English copy. Now we will trace Ba. This is capital Ba and this is small ba. The alphabet is B and the sound is Ba. Okay, now first of all trace capital Ba. You have to join dot to dot to complete this Ba. स्लो बाय करेंगे, प्रॉपर ट्रेसिंग करनी है हमने. ओके, बा. विच लेटर इज दिस? बा. yes, done. Now come to small ba. This is small ba. Okay, down and then curve like this. Done. Okay, ba. Ba bed, Ba bed. Trace this and now color it. Okay, now come to next page. Say loud and trace capital and small ba. Okay, we will write Ba here. This is capital Ba and this is small ba. Ba ball, Ba bat, Ba balloon, Ba boy. Ba. Which letter is this? Ba. Repeat with me. Ba. The alphabet is Ba. Sorry, the alphabet is B and the sound is Ba. Okay. Now complete this. This is your last Ba. Okay. Complete this page like this. Now turn next page. Trace and write capital and small Ba. Okay. You have to trace in 2 lines and in third line you have to write by yourself. First trace first line, then second line. Okay, start with me and repeat with me. Ba. Which letter is this? Ba. Ba ball, Ba balloon, Ba boy, Ba banana, Ba book. Okay, trace Ba. Ba. Here we done with tracing. Now we will write ba. ओके नाउ फर्स्ट 3 लाइन्स में हम कैपिटल बा लिखेंगे. इस तरह हमने स्ट्रेट किया, डाउन एंड डाउन, देन वी कर्व लाइक दिस बा. दिस इज कैपिटल बा. नाउ स्मॉल बा like this and curve it. Okay, ba. Again write with me. First, second, third. 3 स्टेप्स के अंदर हमारा बा बने कैपिटल. फर्स्ट स्टेप स्मॉल बा का इस तरह से डाउन एंड डाउन, देन वी विल कर्व इट सेंटर की 2 लाइन्स में. ओके, दिस इज योर स्मॉल बा. अगेन वी विल राइट कैपिटल बा. फर्स्ट स्टेप इसका है कि हमने इस तरह से इसको लाइन की, देन वी विल कर्व लाइक दिस एंड दैट. कंप्लीट बा. दिस इज कैपिटल बा एंड स्मॉल बा. Here we complete this page ba. Okay, do this in your copy neat and clean. Okay, now come to next page. Okay dear friend, this is your next work, trace and match. You have to trace letters. First letter a, small ba, capital A, capital ba. First trace the first letter a. Apple. Small ba, ball. A, capital A, arrow. Capital ba, bat. Okay, now we will match. Look at the pictures. This is ball, arrow, bat and apple. This is your apple. Okay, you have to match apple to apple. This is the spelling of apple and this is the picture of apple. Join this. Okay, now ball. Where is the ball? This is a ball. Yes, now match spelling of ball with the picture ba, ball. Arrow. Is this arrow? Yes, this is arrow. Now we will match spelling of arrow with the picture of arrow. Arrow. Bat. Is this a bat? Yes, this is a bat. So match spelling of bat with the picture of bat. Done. Okay, do this work with the help of pencil and scale. Okay dear students, now open page number 11 and do this work. You have to write small a and small ba. This is your first work, a. You have to trace a and then write a. Now write with me. A. What we are tracing? A. Apple. Okay. A. Arrow. Done. Okay, now we will write a. Put a dot here. Now like this and then curve it. A. Straight line and then curve it. A. Complete this. Okay, this is a, small a. Okay, we will write a here. Now come to next, circle a. You have to circle only a. There are different alphabets but you have to circle only a. Is this a? No. Is this a? Yes. Circle it. Is this a? No. This? No. You have to circle only a. So find a. Is this a? No. Yes, this is a. Circle it. One more a. A. Apple. A. Arrow. Is this a? No. Is this? No. Is this? No. Is this a? Yes. Circle it. Is this a? No. Is this? No. अब फाइंड करेंगे कहाँ कहाँ ए है. इज दिस ए? यस. सर्कल इट. वेयर इज द ए? यस, दिस इज ए. अब कोई ए दिख रहा है हमें जो हमने सर्कल ना किया हो? फाइंड आउट करेंगे. यस, दिस इज ए. वी हैव डन विद दिस वर्क. A. Here we circle small a. Now come to next word. This is ba. You have to write here ba, small ba. स्मॉल बार के लिए पहले हम इसको ट्रेस करेंगे. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम इस तरह से लाइन करेंगे. देन वी विल कर्व इट. ओके. बा. व्हाट वी आर ट्रेसिंग? बा. व्हाट वी आर ट्रेसिंग? बा. बा बॉल, बा balloon. Okay, now after tracing you have to write ba by yourself. You have to write ba in first 3 line. First draw a straight line and then curve it in 2 lines. This is small ba. How we write? First you have to draw a straight line and then you have to curve it. This is ba, small ba, straight line and then curve it. Straight line and then curve it. Ba. Okay, here we done. Now come to last word. This is box. This is box. What we will write? Box. So box किससे आता है? Ba. Ba box. So we will write here ba. Which object is this? Cup. Which object is this? Cup. ये बा से नहीं आता तो हम यहाँ बा नहीं लिखेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव टू ओनली राइट बा इन द बॉक्सेस. नाउ कम टू थर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज दिस? ये आप सबके पास है जिसमें हम अपनी बुक्स रखते हैं. दिस इज़ बैग. दिस इज़ बैग. तो बैग किससे आता है? बा से आता है. सो वी विल राइट हेयर बा. ओके. Here we complete our English work. Do this work in your book and copy neat and clean. Allah Hafiz.